Hello all, I would like to welcome you to Techpledge Consulting Services, and we are here for our program Cloud Master Ninja Career Tracker by Techpledge Bootcamp 2021. That the topic which we are going to take is Microsoft Azure Relational Database. Here we go, and let's see what we have in our plate today. But before that, let me just introduce myself. My name is Sakshi Bhatia, a grade A trainer having certifications like Azure, AWS, SA, SRE certified professional, and I have been delivering so many classes and the training with Techpledge. As Techpledge being a EdTech platform providing trainings, placement, certification, boot camps. So here we go and have a look at the agenda that we are having today. That is, we are going to learn about relational databases, what really are they, how do they really work, Azure Relational Database Engine, what Azure has to offer in their database services, how do really SQL servers and how do SQL virtual machine work over Azure, and how does this SQL server provide high availability to the machines, and how does we can migrate our on-premises server to Azure platform. And that's all we have for today's. So we'll take a little break, just you can have your tea, coffee, and we'll get back.